Peanut? Can I see the Dorito? Whoa! Do you love Doritos? Can you share it with mommy? Yeah? Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome. I've never tasted a red one before. But my first time.
What's that?
Dorita.
You love Doritos? Uh-huh.
Red Doritos my favorite.
Can I have Doritos?
Sharing it with Daddy, the Dorito.
I'm having
Doritos. Doritos at the park. There she is.
Doritos. I love Doritos.